Similar to yesterday, when I first come out here, there's no one. But once the floodgates open, everybody starts coming. And today was the bonus of the turkey family. 2 hens with the 4 little ones. And Big Mama came in from the other side, walked within a couple of feet. Oh, and there's a fawn. Where'd that fawn come from? Jeez, oh man. Where did you come from, little one? You weren't there a minute ago. I was just going to say there's more deer and a couple of fawns across the road still. Oh, goodness gracious. The morning rush again. Walk out here just after daybreak. Here they come. Hello, little one. Where did you come from? Where did you come from, sweetie? You walked in while I was looking the other way. You're darling. You're darling. Oh, you don't need to put your tail up, honey. It's okay. Yeah. Somebody's had something go down the wrong pipe or something. It's making everyone nervous.